Hey, hello, welcome to my show again. This is G-Dog, bitches. So tonight on my show I got somebody really nice I heard, and we're gonna talk about a bunch of interesting stuff.
Bass.
Bitch, what does your name stand for anyway?
Carrelli.
So what are you here for tonight, P.A.?
I mean, mostly because I'm getting paid $500 to be here.
Come on, you do beatbox or something?
No,
Do you sing or something?
you wouldn't want me to sing.
So what the fuck are you doing on my show, you bitch? Get the fuck out! So, hey, come back! Come back!
Just told me to leave.
Come back, I'll show you some beatbox before you leave.
Oh, baby, you wanna be with me, yeah. I know it's hard for you to baby, you. Baby, you.
That was pretty good, though. I'm impressed.
Well, thank you. So, the fuck you doing on my show anyway now?
Well, I got paid $500 to be here, so...
Yeah, come on. Yeah, huh? Go ahead.
I guess I'll leave you alone.
Yes, fuck,